Turmeric, also known as Curcuma longa, is a bright yellow-orange spice that has been used for thousands of years. It belongs to the ginger family and grows mainly in South Asia. Its rhizome, or underground stem, is the part most commonly used. Native to India, turmeric has been cultivated for over 4,000 years. It played an important role in food, medicine, and rituals. Today, it remains a staple in kitchens and traditional healing practices worldwide. The vivid yellow color of turmeric comes from compounds called curcuminoids. These natural pigments give curry its iconic golden appearance. They also hold powerful medicinal properties. Turmeric farming requires warm, humid climates and fertile soil. Farmers usually harvest it after 7 to 10 months of growth. The rhizomes are then boiled, dried, and ground into fine powder. India is the largest producer and exporter of turmeric in the world. The spice is, deeply woven into Indian culture, cuisine, and Ayurvedic medicine. Global demand for turmeric continues to rise every year. In Indian cooking, turmeric is an essential ingredient in curries, dals, and rice dishes. It adds flavor, aroma, and color to meals. Beyond food, it's also used in teas, pickles, and even desserts. Southeast Asian cuisines, including Indonesian, Thai, and Malaysian dishes, also rely on turmeric. It's used in spice pastes, soups, and marinades. Its earthy, slightly bitter taste balances rich flavors. Turmeric's most important bioactive compound is curcumin. Curcumin is known for its strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Scientists consider it one of the most powerful plant-based medicines. Studies suggest that curcumin can reduce inflammation in the body. This makes turmeric beneficial for conditions like arthritis and joint pain. Its natural properties are often compared to certain pharmaceutical drugs. Turmeric also supports heart health. Curcumin may improve blood circulation and reduce cholesterol levels. This helps lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Brain health is another area where turmeric shines. Research indicates that curcumin may increase brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, which is a growth hormone. This could delay or even reverse brain diseases such as Alzheimer's. Turmeric plays a role in digestion. It stimulates bile production, which helps break down fats. Traditionally, it has been used to treat bloating and indigestion. In traditional medicine, turmeric is known as a healing spice. Ayurveda and Chinese medicine prescribe it for skin problems, infections, and wounds. Its antibacterial properties speed up recovery. Turmeric is also linked to cancer prevention. Laboratory studies show curcumin may slow the growth of cancer cells. While it's not a cure, it does support overall health. The spice contributes to liver detoxification. Curcumin enhances the activity of enzymes that remove toxins. This, in turn, strengthens the body's natural defense system. Turmeric is often used as a natural cosmetic. In India, brides apply turmeric paste to their skin for a glowing complexion. It helps reduce acne, scars, and skin inflammation. Beyond medicine, turmeric has been used as a natural dye. Its bright color makes it ideal for coloring fabrics, food, and even religious powders. This really reflects its deep cultural significance. Religious ceremonies in Hindu and Buddhist traditions often include turmeric. It symbolizes purity, fertility, and prosperity. Even today, turmeric paste is applied during weddings and rituals. In Indonesia, turmeric is a key ingredient in Jamu, a traditional herbal drink. Combined with other roots and spices, Jamu is believed to boost immunity. This practice has lasted for centuries. So, modern science continues to explore turmeric's benefits. Researchers are, studying its effects on diabetes, depression, and chronic illnesses. Many findings actually support its reputation as a super spice. However, turmeric does have its limitations. Curcumin, which is the active ingredient, is not easily absorbed by the body. To improve absorption, it's often consumed with black pepper, which contains piperine. Turmeric supplements are now widely available. They are concentrated forms of curcumin, often combined with absorption enhancers. These are popular among health-conscious consumers. Despite its benefits, turmeric should be consumed in moderation. Excessive intake can cause stomach upset or interact with certain medications. Consulting a doctor is recommended for those using supplements. The future of turmeric lies in both tradition and innovation. Farmers, scientists, and wellness industries continue to explore new ways to use this golden spice. Its journey from farm to medicine cabinet is inspiring. In conclusion, turmeric is more than just a spice. It is a symbol of culture, healing, and science. From ancient roots to modern research, turmeric remains one of nature's most powerful gifts.